Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into it. So today, this is for NinjaTrader. If you are looking to use NinjaTrader, or if you're trying to figure out how NinjaTrader works, this is a great how-to video. And what we're going to talk about today is just a basic order entry slip, how it works, and then also the Superdome. So to get to these, just go to New, okay, and you could bring them up right here, or like a basic entry, order ticket. Here's your basic entry, right? The one that we just had, okay. And then the other one would be your Superdome, okay, which is going to look something like this. So let's bring these two back up, okay, as I already have them set up. And this is two different things, okay? Here's your level 2. I don't have market depth of farther than like others, and this is just more of a real basic order entry. Here, it's all customizable, right? You can right click, cancel orders, right? Always on top, show tabs, export, different, you could set up your properties for colors, all that, so it's very customizable. If you want buy the ask, buy market, buy bid, buy, close, reverse, move it to break even, all very customizable if you want a market order. But this is what I like if I want to get long, we'll say at 3:14:10 even, I know exactly where I want to get long, okay. I could put the order in just like this. And then if I want to change the contract, let's say we want to trade the ES, I could do something like this. Time and force, good till cancel in your sim or your live account if you drop that down. And then right here, ATM is just basic strategy. So let's say you want to do a 4x4, risk 1 point to make 1 point. Okay, and if I sit here and I want to execute this, I would just buy because I'm buying below the market, we'll say, right? So we're going to say, let's look to buy below the market, click buy, it's now submitted, okay, my order. And if I want, I could cancel the order. If I want, I could pull up a chart and look at the chart with it. So I'll pull up a chart here for the ES. Okay, and there you go. Here's your order. And what this order does is this order actually has my entry. So it's only going to show you your limit, but once it gets triggered, the limit, okay, it'll actually change it and you will see the bracket. So as price is coming down, let's see what happens. If I want to move it up a little bit, I can. Right, just left click and then right, and now the order has been changed, so we could see it here. And this is probably going to make me chase it, so let's just go here, try and get filled so we could see it in real time. And look, it's still making me chase, but once it gets to my price, so we're at like 13.75, if I want to cancel it, I could just cancel it like that, right? Or so it's really cool if you don't want to use the chart trader, same thing, right? If I want to go here on the chart trader, I could just say, hey, let's buy market. It fills me, and then it puts all the working orders, and it'll just get you in or out of the trade very quickly that way. So so it shows you, right, it depends what you're showing up here, but it shows you your target, stop, all that happen. And let's bring this, and the same thing here. Let's say if you want to put orders below the market, right, let's say, hey, let's do 4x4. I want to left click in here to move this up or down. So if I want 310, put the order in here. Again, pull the chart back up. I see the order is right here. Okay, if I want to reverse it, close it, cancel, right? Or this centers the market, but if I look, I could see the order. If I want to cancel it, click that, and it cancels the order. And this is down here is essentially the same thing. If you want to go to your live account, if you want to add a new market, I could do that. Change this one to the micro ESs, right? So, hey, I want to trade the ESs. Let me get long, buy bid, right? So now it's filled, okay? But it's filled on the ES, or the micros, as you can see, it's not here. But if I go here to the micros, it will show the order and what's happening here. So I hope that helps of how to use these things. And then to just exit, just kind of sit there, close the position, and it'll just send a market order to close. So these are two really helpful order entry ways to enter orders using NinjaTrader. So until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.